What is up, YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be going over 5 developer options settings every Android user should get acquainted with or know about. Now, if by any means you can't find the developer option setting, I'm going to be linking a video right here where you can go and watch a quick video I made on how to activate the developer option setting on an Android phone, and you can also find the link down in the description box below, so do well to check it out. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. In the developer option area, if you scroll down, you will find the don't keep activities button. Now, this is a very useful setting that is used to end all activities of an application running in the background once you leave the app to prevent unwanted battery usage or data usage from that app. Simply activate these settings by simply tapping on the switch next to it. But mind you, if you're a multitask worker, I assume that you would want to use this particular one wisely, as you may not want to end a particular workflow on a particular app and decide to work on another one, but end up closing the previous one, which is what this particular setting does. Now, speaking of apps running in the background when you're done using it, in the developer option area, you can also find the running service button, simply used to view and control the current running services. That is, once you tap on it, you will then find all the apps currently running and the size in RAM it uses up at the moment. You can also go as far as stopping the one you seem to not be using but is currently running. By simply tapping on the settings, then you should be taken to a page that shows you the button, and when you tap on the stop button, a message should pop up saying if you stop the service, some features of your phone may stop working correctly until you power it off and then on again. This is just a warning to scare you, obviously. I mean, it's the developers options area, so the warnings are just going to be strict so that you be careful. So in case you're stopping an app, make sure it's not a system app, right, but one that is installed by you. You know, when your phone is connected to your Bluetooth speaker, then you have an incoming call. Some of the Bluetooth speaker may play the ringtone that you set, that is your default ringtone in your phone, while some Bluetooth speaker does something pretty annoying.
0, 8, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 8, 2.
It calls out the number of the person that is calling you at the moment. It may be okay by some of you, but it's not safe for that person's contact to just be exposed, especially when you're in a group of people enjoying or listening to a type of jam and all of a sudden your phone just rings and it calls out that person's number. That brings us to the disable inbound ringing settings. It helps us change that by just turning on that switch you see on your screen, and now you can have an incoming call in peace. Now, this one is very important in a very unique way. If you have a friend or a family member or an older person in friend, or somebody basically who has a problem reading through a straight line on their phone without having to stress themselves by running their fingers through the screen in order to just get them to follow the right line while reading, just tap on the switch next to it to turn it on, and now you have lines all over your phone, to guide you while you read on your phone. But this one is not the best in graphics, but it's pretty helpful. But if you want to turn it off, you can simply go ahead and tap on that switch button to turn it off. Now, before I enter the number 5, if you gain knowledge from this video, please do well to support me with the like button on this video, and I'll be motivated to make another video like this one. So on to the number 5. Now, if you're a fan of little text or font sizes, this one is for you. You notice how the normal display settings allows you to increase and decrease the font sizes and the looks of things on your phone. Well, this setting can also allow us go even smaller by just simply tapping on the smallest suite, and it will take us to a page that allows us to input numbers. But first, it should display a default number, a 320 dp, or in some other cases, a 300 dp. So I don't know what that dp means, but now, to reduce the size, simply change the number to anything above that 320 or that 300 or what is in default in your phone. Just simply increase it to any number, but do not go higher, because it will shrink the looks of things on your phone so bad that you may not be able to operate your phone with your thumbs anymore. So if you're increasing it, I'll just say maybe if you're increasing it, increase it from like 320 to 330 and 340. Keep progressing like that. Don't just go ahead and just jump to like 600. I'm not going to be the one to be blamed, but just be increasing it gradually, like from 20, 30, 40 and so on, until you get to your desired small icons and look on your phone, and you are good to go. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this video, please drop it down in the comment section. I'll be there and willing to answer you on that question. And please, if you enjoyed this video, subscribing to this channel will also help me and you to get updated on my videos and on this channel. And for those of you that are already subscribed, big shout out to you guys. You guys are great, and you should know that videos are being posted every Mondays. And as usual, I will see you all on Monday. Bye.